padding creates spacing between the perimeter of an HTML element and the content contained within it. In this tutorial, we'll be adding padding around the text contained within our div. Similar to margins, padding can be added around all four sides of an element or only specified sides. First, we will add padding around all sides. To do that, type the following style definition in your div1 ID. This will add a 10 pixel gap between the text in our div to the perimeter of the div. So let's go ahead and save the file and take a look at it. So we can see that we have a 10 pixel gap around our text right up to the perimeter of the div. I'm going to increase this amount of the padding so we can better illustrate this example. So I've saved the file and I'm just going to refresh, and we can see this is now a 20 pixel padding around the text. Now let's add padding to only the top and left side of the text. To do this, enter the following values. We'll add 30 pixels on top, 0 on the right, 0 on the bottom, and 30 pixels on the left. So save the file, and I'll refresh. So now we have 30 pixels on the top, 30 pixels on the left, and 0 on the bottom and right.